In this video, we compare DJI Mini 4 Pro Combo and HOVERAir X1 Drone. By the end of this video, we hope you will know which of these two products suits your needs. The DJI Mini 4 Pro Combo is a lightweight drone that doesn't require registration for recreational use, making it an ideal choice for beginners and hobbyists. It offers stunning 4K 60 FPS HDR video capabilities, capturing striking footage of sunrises, sunsets, and night scenes with remarkable clarity. The drone features omnidirectional obstacle sensing, significantly reducing the risk of collisions and providing a safer flying experience. With the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, the DJI Mini 4 Pro can achieve extended flight times of up to 45 minutes per battery, enabling longer, uninterrupted flights. The drone provides real-time, high-quality aerial footage with 20-kilometer FHD video transmission, offering immersive, lag-free viewing experiences. The DJI Mini 4 Pro also offers customizable intelligent tracking with active shots 360 degrees, making it easy to capture smooth, professional-grade videos. The HOVERAir X1 Drone is a self-flying camera that uses advanced tracking algorithms to follow the user at speeds up to 15 miles per hour, making it ideal for capturing action in sports like cycling or skateboarding. Despite weighing less than an iPhone at 125 grams, this drone offers a high degree of portability and simplicity, taking off from your palm with a single click and folding away for easy transport. The drone offers a variety of intelligent flight paths including hover, follow, zoom out, and orbit, with each battery supporting approximately 20 of these paths for about 11 minutes of flight time. The HOVERAir X1 Drone supports 2.7K at 30 FPS and 1080p HDR video shooting with a triple stabilization system that ensures smooth video effects and excellent fast motion capturing capability. The HOVER X1 app allows for live monitoring of the drone's camera feed and manual control of its flight path, while also offering a platform for downloading and sharing photos and videos. The drone is fully enclosed with safety guards and boasts 32 gigabytes of internal storage, securing your privacy with locally stored content and providing an extra layer of protection for both the drone and its surroundings. The DJI Mini 4 Pro Combo and the HOVERAir X1 Drone are both excellent choices for drone enthusiasts. The DJI Mini 4 Pro Combo is a lightweight drone, making it a great choice for beginners and hobbyists. Its main highlights include 4K 60 FPS HDR video capabilities, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, and extended flight times of up to 45 minutes per battery. In contrast, the HOVERAir X1 Drone is a self-flying camera designed to follow the user at speeds up to 15 miles per hour. Despite weighing less than an iPhone, this drone offers a high degree of portability and simplicity, with intelligent flight paths and approximately 11 minutes of flight time per battery. It supports 2.7K at 30 FPS and 1080p HDR video shooting with a triple stabilization system that ensures smooth video effects. Both drones have their unique features and benefits, and the choice between the two would largely depend on specific user requirements and preferences.